Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about how diabetes can affect your feet. If you suffer from diabetes, please comment yes below. So how can diabetes affect your feet? Diabetes can cause two problems for your feet. The first is diabetic neuropathy. Uncontrolled diabetes can damage your nerves. If you have damaged nerves in your legs and feet, you might not feel heat, cold, or pain there. This lack of feeling is called sensory diabetic neuropathy. If you don't feel a cut or sore on your foot because of neuropathy, the cut could get worse and become infected. The muscles of your foot may not work properly because nerves to the muscles are damaged. This could cause your foot to not align properly and create too much pressure on one part of your foot. The second is peripheral vascular disease. Diabetes also affects the flow of blood. Without good blood flow, it takes longer for a sore or cut to heal. Poor blood flow in the arms and legs is called peripheral vascular disease. If you have an infection that won't heal because of poor blood flow, you're at risk for developing ulcers or gangrene or the death of tissue due to lack of blood.
Well, here we see a particularly severe case of peripheral vascular disease. The dressing covers an injury which wouldn't heal due to ischemia. You can clearly see the black necrotic tissue on the toes.
People with diabetes are also more susceptible to these foot problems. Athlete's foot, fungal nail infections, calluses, corns, blisters, bunions, diabetic ulcers, hammer toe, ingrown nails, and plantar warts. Please click subscribe and click like. And hit that notification bell so you can see our upcoming video on diabetic foot care. We'll be giving tips for taking care of your diabetic feet.
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. If there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise, so stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Synergy. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace, helping you target unwanted belly fat, love handles, and cellulite. Act now and start burning fat immediately. Coupled with diet and exercise, Synergy is the fastest, best way to meet your weight loss goals.